paper is called Learning Distributed Representation of Text and Entities from Knowledge Base. It was published in ACL in 2017. What we are trying to do here is we provide the architecture a word or sentence, and it gives us output as a word embedding. So the training phase includes training the neural net model with a lot of data which is extracted from Wikipedia and DBpedia. So here what we're trying to do is we have a text representation, and then we have an entity representation, and then we are doing a dot product of the same. Then we pass it through a hidden layer, and the output is then passed to a softmax layer to give us the final embedding. I ran my code on 3 datasets: the SIG 2014 dataset, the SEM eval dataset, and the STS 2014 dataset. So I have the results, and I'll show you the results here in the notebook. So I have this training area where you can just run these commands and then train the model. It will take a lot of time and space, so I'm leaving it as it is. Then so we come to a predictions part. Here I have this Ntee _300 sentence.joblib. This is where my trained embeddings are stored. Now let's try to do some predictions. As I run this, it returns me a model reader object. Now I give it a word what, and it should give me an embedding for this. As you can see, I have the embedding for this. Now I can also get entity vectors embedding as well. So this is the embedding for an entity. Now I can also pass a sentence, and it should give me embedding for that as well. Let's do it. So as you can see, I pass in a sentence, and it gives me an embedding for that as well. Now since I've stored it in a joblib file, I can see the values like this, and then the keys of the joblib file can be seen like this. So now I'm testing it on 3 different benchmark datasets, and I have 3 different metrics. So here let's test it first on the SIG dataset. So it is using TensorFlow backend, and it takes 1 or 2 minutes to run this. Let's see. So as you can see, I have 3 different metrics: the Pearson, Spearman, and mean square error. Now I also ran the code on the SEM eval dataset, and I have these 3 metrics for that as well. Now let's run it on the STS dataset. So here I have the metrics results for the STS dataset as well. For more information, you can see on the GitHub. The original code is here, and then my code is in the GitHub repo as well. Thank you so much.